been a while, huh? I know, I haven't posted in like over a year, man. Truth be told, I've been lazy. That's the reason why I haven't been posting. But a lot of you have been asking me to post, so I'm gonna start posting again. But it's probably just gonna be just quiet videos, you know, where I'm just riding around, not talking. For some reason, those get the most views, so I'm gonna post those. So just, I guess it's like an update video, just to let you know I'll be posting again, hopefully, if I don't get too lazy. Yeah. So y'all probably wondering what's new with a boat rider. Honestly, nothing, man. Nothing's new. Same old. Just riding, and I haven't been recording, just riding, honestly. Yeah. But I'm gonna make it a habit of recording again, because I kind of do miss this shit. Yeah, maybe I'll post this video tonight. It's gonna be like a 2-minute video, maybe. Those of you who come back and those of you who are new, thank you, y'all. I appreciate the views, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos too. Man, it's been so long since I uploaded. I don't even know how to freaking talk to the camera anymore. I feel so awkward, man. If you guys really want to see what I'm up to, follow me on Instagram, MTL_bolt_rider. I'm more active there, to be honest. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it Kevin Hart. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.